Now these are the feet. Let me show you. Feet.
Yeah, there's a little
and the head. So here are feet right over the head. It's all curled up.
Acrobatics.
How do we know if it's a boy or a girl?
Well, let's zoom down to the little butt area.
We don't know yet.
Wow, we do know.
We do?
Well,
is that a thingy?
That's a thingy right here. See
it's
this
a boy?
little thing? It's a boy.
Yes!
Holy cow.
I knew
it. I don't know how many.
Right there.
That's a little wee wee?
Yes, it is.
Let's zoom in on it right there.
That's your little boy there.
Yes!
I didn't think it'd be this easy.
He's like, hello.
Because
and are you sure that's the wee wee?
We are going to keep checking to make sure. Here are the two legs here.
You don't know how nervous he's been all morning. I don't know if I could get a girl.
Well, we'll know for sure by the end of the exam. Okay. We're going to try and...
Because sometimes, like, I've heard, you know, like their thumb or something is like...
It did look like a thumb, didn't it?
Wait a second.
I'm kidding. That's a pee-pee. It's not a... Let me see if I can get a better picture. Right here. There's the pee-pee. There's the sack. You see this bulky here? Bulky round structure?
Uh-huh.
That's the sack. And then the pee-pee. Right there, you see it all.
Okay, yeah, you're a professional. I don't see that right here.
Am I blocking you?
So the white.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the pee-pee and this is scrotum.
That's a big scrotum.
Now you can see it very clear after 6 months or so.
Is that its face right there?
Uh-huh. That's his little face. Let's get a better picture here.
It's so crazy. Like your mom wasn't able to do this. Moving around. Hey, little guy. Now I can say little guy, and I don't have to feel bad.
This is a real guy now.
God, seriously, it was like constantly I called it a boy, and
I
like, oh,
knew it was.
These are toes. So the feet
There's
are
the mama.
still up there. You can see the little motion of the suckling here in the muscles.
That's so cool.
Feet and a hand.
The feet.
Oh man,
big foot.
Dang, it looks huge.
It does.
I mean, I know it's like